Welcome to 169 Jefferson Road in Princeton. You're going to love this house. It is a duplex, which means it's a twin. It's one of two houses on the lot. This one is mint. New kitchen, new bathrooms. The best part about this house is that most duplexes in Princeton only have one full bath. This has two. The third floor, which you're going to see, is a full suite. So you can use a bedroom, guest room, office with a bath, completely updated and lovely. You're gonna want to check this one out in person.